Today we have the 2022 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This vehicle has done just under 53,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and our automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our settings, Mercedes Me stores, apps, information, ambient lighting, media, radio, navigation, and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.